Hey, what's going on? We're here with Andy from the very esteemed Marcella women's fashion brand. How are you doing today, Andy?
I'm great, Max. How are you?
Doing well. So, first question that I wanted to ask you is how much money have you made directly from working with us?
So just to put it in context, we started working together towards the tail end of 2022, and obviously now we're sort of early summer, late spring of 2024. I think two important things have happened since we've started working with you. One, um, our overall revenue has just increased dramatically in terms of our email traffic. So at the time that we first started working with you, we were at around 2.83 million in email traffic, and today we're at 9. So we've tripled in terms of revenue, but also I think impressively, and what speaks a lot to your help with us is that the flow portion of our emails has increased dramatically. So if you look at where we were when we started, 90% of our revenue was coming from campaigns and 10% was coming from flows. And today it's half and half. So the fact that we've actually grown and the fact that we've gone from 10% of that revenue to 50% of that revenue being attributable to flows is a direct result of our working together.
Awesome, man. And the second question I have for you is before we started working together, what sort of challenges were you guys facing?
Yeah, so um, our biggest challenge was really just about how to operationalize flows. So one, what flows should we be setting up? Two, making sure that those flows were set up in the right way. And three, sort of A/B testing. So constantly trying to optimize the flows because as we discovered working with you, what subject line you have in your email, the timing of when those emails sort of flows come on an automated fashion. Those are really important things, but those actually require a lot of love and care and a lot of observation. And you've been really, really super helpful for us. Ironically, when we started, we kind of did a consulting assignment with you, and then at some point, you were so helpful that we actually asked you just to take over and operationalize it for us. It's been really, I don't think we would have gotten there without your help. And again, it's been really seamless and super exciting.
Last question for me is what would you say to somebody who is sort of sitting on the fence about working with us?
Yeah. So ironically, I met you, Max, basically pretty randomly, and I actually watched a couple of videos like this. And so it's funny to be on the other side of it. What I would say, and again, I'm trying to embarrass you in the maximum way possible here, Max, is that it's really been seamless working with you. You are very driven. You're very entrepreneurial. You don't require a lot of hand holding, which is really wonderful for sort of someone you hire as kind of an outsourced resource. At the same time, you are very dependable, and also you're dependable sort of in a pinch if we really need help. So I have been, and I've said this to you personally many times. I've been very grateful that we connected. We have a pretty sizable in-house digital team, but the reality that the fact that we can actually outsource this aspect to you and have seen the results that we've seen is really a testament to your professionalism. And again, so I'm very happy that I watched videos like this in the past. So hopefully this is a help to other people to find you.